Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to disable compact mode on the Facebook app when using it on your PC. If your Facebook layout suddenly looks tighter, with less spacing between posts and menus, compact mode is probably turned on. The good news is you can switch it off in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook in your browser on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and settings. From that menu, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This section controls how Facebook looks and feels on your screen. After opening Display and Accessibility, you'll see an option labeled Compact Mode. If it's currently enabled, your layout will appear more condensed than usual. To turn it off, simply select Off under Compact Mode. As soon as you click it, Facebook will instantly switch back to the standard layout with more spacing and a more relaxed view, and that's it. Compact mode is now disabled, and your Facebook interface should feel more familiar and easier to browse. If you ever want to switch it back on, you can follow the same steps and choose On instead. Hopefully, this helps you customize your Facebook experience the way you prefer. If you found this useful, stick around for more quick and easy guides.